Hello everyone, finally! A trailer that won't break the bank and that's nice and light, can be pulled by most vehicles. Definitely something like that, no problem. Just over 2,600 pounds. This is a nice couples unit. No slide out, so nice and light and reliable. Let's check out the inside, folks. That propane tank will be filled up. Battery will be supplied. We got outside speakers, we got cable connections and power connections outside, so you could mount a TV out here. We got the doggy leash latch, and this doubles up as a beer opener. Check out the new solid glass door, heavy duty. There is your double bed, fridge, sink, 2-burner stove with LED lighting. You got your furnace, microwave, air conditioner, vent number 1. Look at the windows. Storage up top. All right, a dinette. This does convert into a bed. However, I would say that that is for a child, not an adult. Storage out back, and bathroom up next. Boom. Nice corner shower. Medicine cabinet with sink, plus some storage under. All right, folks, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call, book your appointment, and come check this unit out. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick.